If you want to remove a repository on GitHub, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Log in with your GitHub browser, click the three bars at the top left, or basically not the three bars, go ahead and click your profile icon at the top right, and then go ahead and select the second option, your repositories, and then basically scroll a little bit down, select the repository that you want to delete. Let's say for example eGuess, or this kind of unique name, and then basically click the three dots at the top right for this branch or this repository, and click settings, and then basically scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna, if you want to make sure that this is the exact repository that you want to delete, you're gonna see the name of the repository right here, and basically scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able right here to just delete this repository. Once you delete a repository, there is no going back. Please be certain. I'm gonna go ahead right here, and I want to delete this repository, right? And then basically go ahead. I have read and understand that I want to delete this repository. Go ahead and enter my repository name, my name ADAMO/eGuess, right? Or basically eGuess, right? And then go ahead and confirm that you want to delete this repository, and basically now you deleted your repository on GitHub. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.